Best collagen-rich vegetables that rebuild joints and strength after 60. Avoid missing number 3. She couldn't lift her coffee mug without pain, but 6 weeks later, her hands felt brand new. What changed? One vegetable she had ignored her whole life. After 60, your collagen begins to vanish, and most seniors don't even realize that's the reason their hands tingle, knees ache, and legs feel heavy. By age 65, you've already lost more than 30%. But these 8 vegetables? They can help your body rebuild collagen naturally and fast. Meet Helen. She's 68 and used to love gardening. But last year her knees cracked when she walked. Her fingers went numb while trimming the roses. Her joints were so stiff she could barely climb her porch steps. Doctors told her it's just aging. But her niece, a physical therapist, handed her a list of vegetables that she said were nature's collagen medicine. Just 2 months later, Helen felt 10 years younger. Her knees moved freely, her hands were steady, and she was back in the garden with a smile. In this video, you'll discover that exact list, the 8 most powerful collagen-rich vegetables, ranked from least to most powerful. And number 3? It's strange, but it helps rebuild cartilage and cut nerve pain by nearly 40%. Before we begin, where are you watching from? And are you feeling more pain in your legs or hands? Let us know in the comments. We reply to every single one. You're watching the Longevity Table. If you want weekly tips to stay mobile, energized, and pain-free after 60, go ahead and subscribe. It's never too late to feel better. Vegetable number 8. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for making and protecting collagen. Just half a cup gives you 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. A 2020 study found that seniors with more vitamin C had better hand strength, walked faster, and had lower inflammation. Red peppers also contain zeaxanthin, which protects your joints from wear and tear. Eat them raw or lightly sautéed. Add to salads, pair with hummus, or toss into a veggie wrap. Vegetable number 7. Spinach. Spinach is soft and leafy, but it's a collagen-building powerhouse. It's full of beta-carotene, lutein, chlorophyll, and magnesium. These nutrients help detox tissues, reduce inflammation, and keep your collagen strong. Magnesium is especially important after 60. It supports nerve function, muscle control, and the enzymes that make collagen. A 2018 study showed older adults with more magnesium had fewer nerve problems like tingling or numbness. Add spinach to smoothies, eggs, or steam lightly as a side. Vegetable number 6. Okra. Okra is often skipped because of its texture, but that slimy gel, called mucilage, helps cushion your joints. Okra also has vitamins K, C, manganese, and polyphenols, all great for repairing cartilage and boosting collagen. A 2021 study showed okra reduced joint inflammation, improved collagen, and even helped regrow damaged cartilage. Add it to stews, soups, or roast with garlic. Vegetable number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that activates your body's repair system. It protects the cells that make collagen and reduces joint inflammation. Broccoli also has calcium, fiber, and antioxidants that protect nerves. If your hands or legs tingle, broccoli may help restore nerve function. Steam it, roast it, or add to stir-fries. Vegetable number 4. Beets. If your legs feel heavy or cold, it may be poor circulation. Beets boost nitric oxide, opening up blood vessels and improving oxygen flow to collagen-making cells. A 2019 study showed seniors drinking beet juice had 21% better blood flow and walked longer. Beets also fight oxidative stress and protect nerve endings. Roast or steam beets. Add to salads or blend with citrus in a smoothie. Vegetable number 3. Seaweed. Seaweed is packed with minerals and compounds that rebuild collagen. It has iodine, zinc, copper, and fucodon, which stimulates collagen production. It also supports your thyroid, which controls tissue repair speed. Sluggish thyroid leads to slower healing and more stiffness. A 2021 study found seaweed extract helps seniors heal tendons and reduce joint pain in 4 weeks. Use nori sheets in soups or sprinkle on salads. Vegetable number 2, asparagus. Asparagus is rich in glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. It protects collagen from breaking down and supports tissue repair. It also has vitamin K, folate, and fiber to help your body absorb collagen-building nutrients. Roast or grill with olive oil and lemon. Vegetable number 1, parsley. Parsley might be the most powerful collagen booster in your kitchen. It has more vitamin C than an orange, plus a compound called apigenin that protects the cells that make collagen. It also helps detox the body and boost glutathione levels. Chop and sprinkle on soups, eggs, or blend into smoothies. Let's recap. From red peppers to parsley, these vegetables protect your joints, rebuild collagen, and restore strength. Which one surprised you most? Comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Try one of these veggies every day for 7 days, and let us know how you feel. Tingling hands, weak legs, stiff joints. These aren't just aging, they're collagen loss. But now you know how to fix it. You don't need pills, just the right vegetables, daily. Subscribe to the Longevity Table for more health videos each week. You deserve to feel strong after 60. Thanks for watching.